Let's talk about the Apple MacBook and their awesome processor. And is 8 gigs really enough? Well, I had the MacBook Air for about a solid week. I was a Windows user, used to have an Apple a while ago, but I constantly am changing laptops and technology. But recently jumped on the M1 wagon. I ended up getting the 16 gig, 8 core, 1 terabyte version. I got it for a really good deal because I'm a veteran, so I get 10% off the total cost, and I don't pay tax, so I got it for a really good deal. I ended up selling. I used to have an Asus ZenBook Duo, and that was a good laptop. But I shoot on a Canon R5, which is what this is, and between that laptop and this computer here, it just wasn't cutting. And then I saw some videos that this little Air is cutting through R5 footage pretty good. So I definitely had to pick one up. Something that I've seen people say is that 8 gigs is enough. Not my case. I'm using 16 gigs at idle, and I'm already using like 12 or so gigs. It varies. And then I'm also in swap space, which is using the SSD for storage. I don't think 8 gigs is going to be enough if you're a power user. Definitely if you're a video editor. It seems like it slowly starts creeping up. It starts low, but after a long period of time of this thing running for a while, I don't know if it's software or memory leak or something, it does start sipping on the RAM. Another piece of software that I've been using on the M1 Mac is Luminar AI, which is crazy piece of software. It's like some voodoo, some Gandalf software, because what it does is crazy. But it is not M1 compatible, and it definitely shows.
A few moments later.
Where was I? My daughter's taking a bathtub, a tubby, whatever you call it, in the bathroom, right on the other side of the wall. So, where was I? Oh, yes. Luminar AI, awesome piece of software. Some crazy voodoo magic is going on in there. I like using it. It's great. But it's very slow on the M1 Mac. Very slow. I don't have a Windows version. I just have the Mac version. Just loading and zooming in is just death slow. You can see all the cores just kind of ping to the max. I know this has been kind of a hot piece of software, but it's not compatible yet, and it's very slow. So maybe hold off if you got an M1. Maybe. I mean, it's usable, but really slow. Final Cut, M1, beast, cuts through everything, really good. Premiere's recently just updated. Adobe's actually updated a few of their packages. I think Lightroom, Encoder, Premiere. There's a bunch of them. I'll throw it on the screen, but all these are in beta, and they all work very well. When it was just using the Intel, not good. Took forever just to open the app. It's so much faster once it's been optimized for M1 Silicon. It's awesome. But overall, the Apple M1 in general has blown my mind. Absolutely super fast. I actually I have on my island upstairs, I have an outlet with USB ports in it. Now those things are like really low power, a few watts that come out of it, nothing high voltage or even like fast charging, none of that stuff. But it charges my MacBook Air through that. No plug, well, you need a plug, but no power brick, nothing. Plug it in and it charges, it sips power. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I don't understand it. Between Luminar and Apple, they have done some black magic, voodoo, Gandalf stuff Anyways, just figured I'd make a quick video. This is my first video on this particular channel. My other channel didn't have a lot of users, but I wanted something a little bit more formal, so I'm starting here. If you don't know who I am, which, based off of my subscriber count, clearly no one knows, but if you're here and curious, I am a tech guy. I like everything that involves technology, from cars, cameras, videography, photography, computers, smart home, everything you can think of that's remotely interesting when it comes to technology, I dabble in it. Anyways, hey, thanks for stopping in, and Merry Christmas. No. Happy holidays.